Shh, I'm trying to record this. Just shh. Roger, can you get away from me?
Mom, just
Roger, get away.
Mom,
Can you get away? If they're coming to our... Oh shit.
awesome. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look, everywhere.
Roger, you're gonna be under the car. They're right here.
Can't do anything. Well, now we can't do anything, Mom. So you have to just close your eyes.
Harry's not seats with me.
Harry needs to come on every trip. Hey,
Can we get out of here?
okay, let them skin.
Get back. Roger. Yeah, I was getting a bit scared myself.
I just don't want to see my eyes.
Yeah, for the skin. There we go. Don't get your camera.
If it does touch the car,
They're
please.
literally right here.
Yeah, I know, but please don't. No, please.
Oh my gosh.
Underneath the car. Did you hear that?
Please get them away.
Jade, man, what the hell is wrong with you?
So what's it gonna do under our car? It's not
Is it our fault?
Jade, it's not gonna eat its way up to eat us.
We're literally just.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, there's something wrong with you, Jade. Don't get your camera.
If it does touch the car, please.
They're literally right here.
Yeah, I know, but please don't. No, please.
Oh my gosh.
Underneath the car. Did you hear that?
Please get them away.
Jade, we've got to wait till it's
It's stuck by a wheel. It's stuck by a wheel.
It's stuck.
They're trying to pull it out. Why, Jade? What is wrong? You are so wrong.
Okay, just calm down the temperature inside the car.